How you like my paddle collection?
Do you make enough of them?
Yeah, I think plenty, but should I introduce you to the range?
Yeah, where should we start?
I think we start here.
I'll grab this one. Looks nice.
That's our entry paddle. It's super durable and strong. So even if you hit like your board, it's kind of not damaging it.
Yeah.
As it's nice and soft.
How about this tube? What's that for?
This makes the paddle, it makes sure that it's not sinking. It's an EVA cover.
Okay.
And it makes the paddle float.
And I see you can adjust it as well up here.
Yeah, I think this is a really important feature for a family, no? You have to be an adjustable paddle. So you can open the plastic clip, has 2 pins, so it doesn't twist. So you can open that one up, slide it in and out. So it works for like juniors, granddads, your father, yourself.
Okay.
Like,
is that as short as it goes, Danny?
on that size, that's the shortest one. But there's also in the same construction a junior paddle version. So all you get, you have a longer version and the shorter version, fits the whole family, and off you go.
How about this one, Danny? It looks the same.
It's also the entry paddle line we got, but this one has the feature that it's adjustable, plus it's a 3-piece paddle.
Okay.
The cool thing about it, you can disconnect the blade, take the middle part away, put it back, and off you go with the kids paddle.
This one looks almost the same. Tell me about this one.
That's the next step up, Max. This is the carbon 25, and so it got a nicely carbon shaft, which is super nice and flexing.
Feels quite light too.
Yeah, it's light because it has this composite technology in it already.
Okay.
Also have an injection molded blade, as you can see.
And what's this on the edge?
This is a rubber going all around the blade, protects your board. So you cannot damage your board with this one. It's nice and soft and taking all the impacts. So Max, just like our other entry paddle, nice pin, so you can adjust it in the right length you want it. It's nice and light, durable, good value.
So how about these wooden ones here, Danny?
It's a super nice carbon 40 bamboo blade, carbon shaft paddle. We got that one in 3 versions. So Max, this is our bamboo paddle carbon 40 shaft version. As you can see, we have it in 3 versions. You're holding the fixed one.
It's quite long for me.
You don't have to be worried. The handle comes unglued delivered, so you can chop it off in the right length you want it, and then just super glue or use 5-minute epoxy and glue the handle in the right length as you need it.
Okay, so how about this one here in the middle, Danny?
As you saw before on the entry paddles, we also got our premium paddles in adjustable. So like that, you can adjust, so it's not like the fixed one,
Okay.
where you have to choose your length. Here you can kind of use it for your whole family.
Yeah.
You can adjust it during the day, no problem. But same technology, 40% carbon as well, and super smooth bamboo blade.
And I see you also make it in a 3-piece.
Yeah, that's brand new. That's our 3-piece version of the Paddle Max, as you can see. There's a connection on the bottom, so you can disconnect the bottom of the blade. Then there's the adjustable up here. So at the end you have 3 little pieces.
Convenient.
Convenient.
Easy for flying.
And it gets even better. So Max, it gets even better. We got our Guitar Hero bag. It's this nice bag we delivered to all the bamboo paddles and the Integra paddles. Nicely split up in compartments. So you have the tubes on the top, nice and smooth, then a nice layer of EVA in the middle, protect the paddle. There's the blade, all in one.
Good to go. Even easier.
And off you go.
Wow, Danny, this one's the same material as my ProWave SUP.
Haha, yeah, you're right. This is our first high-end paddle we have in our range. This is the Integra Carbon 80%.
Okay, Danny, what's this green edge all about?
That's an important feature, Max. This is our HBS edge protection. It's nicely integrated into the paddle and it saves your board from damaging. There's also another option. You also have to each paddle, you got that one delivered, which you can attach to your blade.
You just glue this on, right?
You just not even have to glue it on. You just wrap it around, attach it with one tape on the top so it's not moving. Perfect sits. and it protects your rail of the board perfectly.
And this blade size looks a little bit more narrow than the ones I've seen before, Danny.
Ah, smart Max, you're right. So Max, I see this is a 7.25 inch width pedal. We also offer the Integra version and the carbon version in an 8-inch size. Let's see how that looks like. Let's play it, just hold it on top. So there you can see the different size of the blade, right?
And what's the benefits from having the 7.25? Just less resistance? Or?
It's less resistance, it's kind of a personal flavor. Some people are liking to pedal with faster in a higher ratio with more strokes. They choose a bit a smaller blade size, and like the 8-inch size is like the most economical size we offer, which is most chosen and best sold. So Max, about the blade size, this is really a personal flavor. That's why we offer them all our high-end pedals in the 8-inch version and in the 7.25. So you can choose your perfect size, whatever you want, and go for it.
Cool. I've seen loads of people with a 7.25. So
yeah, it's kind of the new...
Maybe I'll get one of these.
Yeah, good choice. Max, you see there's one more Integra.
Okay.
As I mentioned before, on the Carbon 40 on our bamboo pedal, we offer already a 3-piece. So this one is our high-end Integra pedal, so we had to make sure that also that one gets to carry around very easy. So this one is also in the 3-piece version available and comes delivered in that nice bag I just showed you before.
Good stuff. And even lighter.
That's nice, right?
Yeah.
Super compact. You can fit it in your bag next to your inflatable board and off you go.
Okay, how about this one on the end then, Danny?
Wow,
this is really light.
Really light. That's one of the lightest pedal on the market actually. This is our high-end pedal, the 100% carbon one. How is that? Super light, huh?
Yeah.
It's nice, has a super nice flex. Got tested all around the world, all our international rider racing on that one. As you see, it also comes in a fixed length, like I introduced you before, so you can cut it yourself. Comes delivered like that.
Okay.
So you can just cut the shaft. And as you know, Max, the handle is also full composite carbon, right? Nice and shiny.
Lovely.
As you can see, the all pedal is nice matte finishing.
Why is that?
This is really important, so it's not as slippery when you hold it, so you have much more power during pedaling. And as I introduced you before, it's also coming in 2-size blade version, 7.25 and 8-inch, so you can choose your flavor, like on the Integra one.
Okay. And I see we do it in adjustable as well.
Yeah, for sure. Even our high-end 100% carbon pedal we offer you in adjustable version. So you just have a bad day, you make it shorter, and off you go.
I guess as well then with the adjustments you could use this have it as a wave paddle and a race paddle.
Exactly.
All in one go.
Or you can share it with your wife or whatever you want. Like, it's just more
universal. Yeah. Okay, and you got the nice colour on the edge here as well, Danny?
Yeah, it's the same as you saw on the Integra one. This is now our nice HBS edge protection like system we have integrated in our pedal.
Okay.
You see, it's still nice and slim, so there is no problem about technology. It's still nice and strong, so it's not breaking off, but it's protecting your board a lot, and this is really important.
Okay. Nice stuff.
It's light, huh?
It is amazingly light.
So Max, I'm gonna introduce you in our technology of the blade. We developed that at Fanatic internally, it's brand new. Can you see any difference from other pedal suppliers, Max?
Well, it looks nice and slim around this area.
Exactly. So we were able to design that part much slimmer and much lighter as all the other blades we did in the past. Can you see the difference that we actually do the connection here now?
Okay.
Why? Why would you do something like that?
Spread the load distribution around.
Exactly. As now we can distribute the layers much nicer through this slim blade going into the tube.
You're using a lot less material and
using
just making
a
them
less,
lighter, yeah.
and still keeps lighter. So the connection is up here and the load is just perfectly fluent. We do it on our 100% carbon, on our Integra 80 and also on our bamboo 40% carbon pedal. So all the blades and tubes coming from the same mold,
Yeah.
just in a different technology. So Max, you see I'm simulating a stroke now. so you can see how the pedal is bending. Can you see that we have a nice flex just from the blade into the tube?
Yeah.
Which before, as it was so much reinforcement around this area, it was really hard to get this strong enough and kind of this nice and parallel flex into the pedal, which we achieved now with this new technology invented by Fanatic.